Da Vinci, Einstein, and Edison were great scientists and also great artists. They were all creative innovators.
Educators tell us that science and the arts go hand in hand. In tonight's Innovate, Dan Cohen profiles a local program that's teaching science through the arts.
Art imitates science, as students at the Elementary Science Institute are currently in production on an upcoming film.
We're making a disaster movie.
Go shake the camera and maybe it'll look like an earthquake is happening.
This course is a partnership between EIS, UC San Diego Extension, and Scripps Institution of Oceanography, engaging students in STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and math.
There really isn't a hard line between science and the arts, whether it's how paint sets up or how you make a disaster movie.
Shaking is not over.
To sharpen production skills, students study disaster filmmaking techniques in this year's theatrical release of San Andreas, then critically analyze the science of the movie.
And we were looking at different scenes of the movie where is it good science or good movie?
These filmmakers are trying to achieve both, and they're learning from the A-listers, Scripps geophysicists.
Having the students write a script for a disaster movie, and we're trying to incorporate real earthquake science into it.
It gives them good credibility because we know that they do have a degree, and we know that we are learning the right stuff.
Here in the computer lab, students are mapping earthquakes in real time with the U.S. Geological Survey.
Figure out by looking at this map which two states have the most earthquakes.
Then they hit the set for a little right brain action as filmmakers.
They're in charge of everything, from modifying the dialogue, to doing the actual filming, to setting up special effects.
It actually helps us learn more about scenes and what it takes to actually make it look realistic.
And through this creative process, the knowledge of geological science fades in.
We're learning about what causes earthquakes and how do you know when there's going to be a new fault.
We use the arts as a way of engaging. We're all about the hands-on experiential science. We want kids to be able to do what scientists do, think like scientists, and through that they start to see the scientist in themselves.
That's a wrap. Dan Cohen, CBS News 8.
For more information on the Elementary Institute of Science, visit cbs8.com/innovate8.